Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Wix store data using Wix site data exports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Wix store data, begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to backup. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Store. From the Store section, once you are in the Products area, look for the option that says Export. Click on the Export button to initiate the data export process. You will see a prompt asking you to select your export format. Choose the format that best suits your needs, typically a CSV file. After selecting your format, confirm your choice to start the export. Wix will prepare the data file, which may take a few moments. Once the export is completed, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the file to your computer. Now, return to the Wix dashboard. To back up your store information, navigate to Store again. This time, click on Orders to view your order history. Similar to the product export, look for the Export button in the Orders section. Click Export to begin the process for your order data. Again, specify your desired format, usually CSV. Confirm your selection to export your order data. Wait for Wix to prepare the file, which should take just a few moments. Once ready, you will receive a download link. Click on this link to download your order data file. To ensure you have all your important data, navigate back to the Wix dashboard. You might also want to check the Customers section under Store. Export your customer data by clicking on the Export button here as well. Again, choose your preferred format and confirm the export. Wait for the file to be prepared and download it when prompted. Now you have successfully backed up your product, order, and customer data. Store these files in a secure location for future reference. Regularly repeating this process will help maintain up-to-date backups of your store data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.